Hey, what's going on, everyone? Thanks for tuning back into my channel, The Always Improving Garage. So I've got this US General 5-drawer tool cart here that I need to move. When I first got it, I put it together myself without a hoist or a helper or anything like that. It wasn't too bad, but I figured now that I got this hoist, I'm going to use it to take it apart to make the move easier. Alright, so I got the straps set up here. Go and see if we can lift this up. Let's adjust these. Right. Okay. I'll remove this out of the way. Slide this little hardwood dolly under here. We're going to bring it down. All right. No sweat. That's exactly what I wanted. That's going to do it for this one, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.